I'm Coach Megan.
And I'm Coach Melissa.
And we're back with a new meal prep series. This time we're doing things a little different.
So instead of prepping meals for the week, we're going to show you how to make 3 easy components to one meal using some seasonal produce, and to show you that eating healthy really doesn't have to be that difficult.
That's right, and we're starting off with our entree of slow cooker pumpkin chili. Now the great thing about a slow cooker recipe is that you can prep everything ahead of time, leave for work, come back, and then you've got a warm, delicious, healthy meal waiting for you.
You might want to prepare some of your ingredients the night before so that in the morning they're ready to go. You can dump everything in the slow cooker and be on your way. Overall prep time for this recipe is no more than about 10 minutes. So let's get started.
First, you're going to lightly oil your saute pan and heat it over high heat. Now add in your ground turkey, breaking it up, and cook until it's white. You can throw that right into your slow cooker.
In the same pan, add a little more oil and your onions and garlic. Saute that for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add cumin and cook for another minute. Then add this mixture to your slow cooker.
Next, add your black beans, which we have rinsed and drained, the pumpkin puree, and the 2 cans of tomatoes. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some of our spices.
When it's done cooking, give it a taste and season to your liking. Then you can add anything you like, such as sour cream, chives, avocados.
Simple as that. This recipe is super flexible. We did add about a half a cup of water just because it was looking really thick. You can go ahead and make it vegetarian if you'd like, then just swap the turkey out for some extra beans, maybe some white beans.
Check out our blog, Words of Wellness, for the recipe.
Bon appetit.